संहारम् एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् त्रिसाहैर्बिल्वपत्रैश्च अच्छित्रैर्कोमलैश्चुभै तव पूजां करिष्यामि एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् सर्वत्रैलोक्यकर्तारम् सर्वत्रैलोक्यपावनम् सर्वत्रैलोक्यहर्तारम् एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् नागादिराजवलयम् नागहारेण भूषितम् नागकुण्डलसंयुक्तम् एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् गंगाधरं उमानादं पणिकुण्डलमण्डितं कालकालं गिरीशं च एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् एकबिल्वं नित्यार्पणम् स्फटिकसङ्गासं चितिखण्डं कृपा।
Listen carefully. I want you all to have the Sadashiva Mandala with you. Basically, now I'm going to settle all the initiations into your day-to-day life. Constantly you can use all these completion, powers, the teachings, above all manifesting powerful cognitions. Understand one thing. If you can move a coconut, you can move any nut. No, that is the truth. See, coconut is more mass than a thought current. You need to know thought current is not consciousness, it is a matter. It is a matter. Less grams, less milligrams than coconut. So, if you can move a coconut, if you can move Atmalinga, you can move your thought currents, you can reverse your blood pressure, you can reverse your diabetes, you can reverse anybody's blood pressure. Above all, you can change anybody's thought current about you. You can change anybody's thought current about you. when his story becomes my story, it's history. Understand? Make his story into my story for you. That can happen only by power manifestation. For anything, even if the mixie is not working properly, use power manifestation first. Don't call plumber, don't call electrician. First, do power manifestation. If you manifested less power, then think of anything else. And that less power manifestation also will, that pattern will break in few days with the will persistence. Anything, approach Sadashiva first. Understand? Anything, approach Sadashiva first. Whether you are feeling depressed or feeling high, feeling good, feeling bad, anything. Feeling high, celebrate with Sadashiva. Feeling low, calibrate with Sadashiva. Anything, approach the oneness I have kindled in you. That oneness in you is Sadashiva. Understand? These mandalas are all to keep you in that same Vatavarana. Why these mandalas, you know? Even in your deep sleep state, the same Turiyatita will be replicated in your body. You will be constantly pulled back to Turiyatita, the highest consciousness. That is why these mandalas. The one message I want you to carry, for anything, approach the oneness in you, which is Sadashiva. For anything. Don't become powerless. First few times if you manifest less power. If you are manifesting less power, the solution is manifesting more power. Will persistence, not manifesting powerlessness. No. Powerless is not the solution for less power. Will persistence is a solution for less power. And I tell you, powers I brought in my feet. Will persistence I brought in my hand. Understand? That is life. That is life. That is life. And I tell you, Sadashiva only tests your will persistence, nothing else. He is not going to watch whether you keep the money there, keep the money here, all that he is not going to watch. He will test only one thing, your will persistence. And he is not miser to give powers. He just showers, understand? He just showers. He wants to know you really want it. He wants to know whether you really want it. That's all, nothing else. He is not asking you to do anything else. He wants you to tell him that you really want it. That's all. Understand? Constantly manifest powerful cognitions in your life. Whether, see, if you can move this, you can move anything. Whether you want hair in your head or brain in your head. Always approach Sadashiva. Let him have the first right to respond. Make Sadashiva as the first response of your life. Let him be the Let him have the first right to respond. Anything. Anything. Let your situations not overwhelm you. Anything, make sure he becomes your first response. And manifesting powers will simply flow. It will just become a lifestyle. It will just become a lifestyle. So pick up your Atmalinga and put it on your Sahasrara. Hold with both hands. See, when you hold with both hands, a certain circuit is formed in your system. Yes. Yes, that is also okay. That is also okay.
गंदी
नित्यानंद शंभो शंकरा शिव शंकरा नित्य शंकरा 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 शंभो शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शिव शंभो महादेवा 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 शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शंभो शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शंभो शंकरा शिव शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शंभो शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शंभो शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शिव शंभो महादेवा 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 शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शंभो शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शंभो शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शंभो शंकरा नित्य शंकरा शंभो डम डम डमर बजे शंकर गण गण घंटा बजे डम डम डमर बजे शंकर गण गण घंटा बजे डम डम डमर बजे शंकर गण गण घंटा बजे डम डम डमर बजे शंकर गण गण घंटा बजे भोलेनाथ शंभो शंकर नित्यानंद शंभो 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 हर हर भोलेनाथ शंभो शंकर नित्यानंद शंभो हर हर भोलेनाथ शंभो शंकर नित्यानंद शंभो हर हर भोलेनाथ शंभो शंकर नित्यानंद शंभो भोलेनाथ शंभो शंकर नित्यानंद शंभो शंकरा शिव शंकरा नित्य शंकरा 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 शंभो शंकरा नित्य शङ्करा शिव शम्भो महादेवा शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा शिव शम्भो महादेवा शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शिव शम्भो महादेवा शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शिव शम्भो महादेवा शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो डम डम डमरु बजे शङ्कर गण गण घण्टा बजे डम डम डमरु बजे शङ्कर गण गण घण्टा बजे डम डम डमरु बजे शङ्कर गण गण घण्टा बजे डम डम डमरु बजे शङ्कर गण गण घण्टा बजे भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो 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 हर हर 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 भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शिव शम्भो महादेवा 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 शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा शिव शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो डम डम डमरु बजे शङ्कर गण गण घण्टा बजे डम डम डमरु बजे शङ्कर गण गण घण्टा बजे डम डम डमरु बजे शङ्कर गण गण घण्टा बजे डम डमरु बजे शङ्कर गण गण घण्टा बजे भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो हर हर भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो हर हर भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो हर हर भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो हर हर भोलेनाथ शम्भो शङ्कर नित्यानन्द शम्भो 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 शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा शम्भो शङ्करा नित्य शङ्करा